Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Barclays app to another account. First, log in to your Barclays account. Next, tap on the Pay and Transfer option at the bottom of the screen. Now, select Pay a Recent or New Payee. Choose the account you want to send money from. Then tap on Add or select Payee. If it's a new recipient, tap Add New Payee and enter the receiver's details. Once done, tap Continue. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring payment. Finally, review all the details and tap Confirm. And that's it. Your money has now been successfully transferred using the Barclays app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.